At Kine Protocol, we are dedicated to making crypto trading accessible to everyone. That's why we are introducing the brand new CEXDX login switch function. With this innovative feature, users can now easily switch between a centralized exchange login method and a decentralized exchange login method, all while using the same powerful trading engine. This gives traders more control over their login methods and greater flexibility when it comes to trading. As you can see, there is a CEXDX switching tab located in the upper right corner of the web page. This tab allows you to switch between two different login options. If you choose the CEX option, you will see a login/register button next to it. When you click on this button, a pop-up window will then appear. From here, you can enter your email address or phone number and password to log into your account. On the other hand, if you select the DEX option, the button next to it will change to Connect Wallet. This allows you to connect your Web3 wallet directly to the site and log in. If you're tired of struggling to switch between different login methods, then this feature is for you. The login switch function streamlines the interface and makes it more user-friendly and convenient. No more searching through menus or tabs, simply choose the login method that works best for you. It also increases flexibility for users. Traders can now stay in their familiar workflow, whether that's using a DeFi wallet like MetaMask or a traditional email or phone number login. Thank you for watching. We hope this short tutorial was helpful to you. Give it a try and see how it can improve your trading experience at Kine.